Welcome back to the channel, everyone.
Today we have Triben RC 520 with us, which is the upgraded version of Triben RC 500, which we shot in the previous video.
But this time we not only have one bike,
but we have two with us. Talk about the components of the bike, and we'll start off with its gears. It has got Shimano 105 shifters along with its RD of 105 and its FD of 105 as well. But one of the exceptions that this bike holds is its crank is of general Shimano of 50 into 34 teeths, and its cassette is also different. It is a micro shift which has a gear ratio of 32 into 11 teeths, and the reason of being it like this is this bike is meant for long distance riding, and it has got more number of teeth in its cassette, so it is very comfortable and easy to ride on the longer stretch. Its frame is of 6061 aluminium grade, which is similar as Triben RC 500, but it's all new different color. More similarity to its younger brother Triben RC 500, its wheels, they are also tubeless ready, so you can make them tubeless anytime you want. And if you are passionate about long distance rides and breves, this is a must to do thing you should do straight away when you go for this bike. Being a gravel bike, it has wide spaces on its rear side as well as front, so you can put on wide tires on it.
we have been riding this bike since a week now.
As we both own road racing bikes, we are used to aggressive posture on the bikes, but as soon as we got onto these bikes, the comfort was really amazing. It was just like a cruising feeling. We can cruise as for as many as kilometers we want. The ride was absolutely comfortable, and till now it is absolutely comfortable. There are few changes which can be made,
And the change is majorly on the stem. You can adjust your stem according to the comfortable level which you want. That is, you have got 5 spacers in between this. You can adjust it as compared to the stock stem. As you can see, it's almost straight, and if you look at this stem, I've made it upside down so that the handlebar can be raised and it'll be more comfortable for me to ride on this bike.
If you guys have watched the video till the very end, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cycling updates. And as always, just cycle it out
For a better health and environment.
guys. If you believe us, we seriously need to take care of our environment. We are currently in Delhi, and you know it's winter times and the AQI is rising up and up and up. So I request all of you guys watching out there, please do take care of our environment by any means that you can. If you use public transport, use public transport. If you can plant a tree, plant a tree. But just help in any means to help our environment and have a better air quality.